Take a look at these clips: cinematic, realistic, and ready to use. It looks professionally made, but it's actually created with AI. I used Renoise AI to generate all of this, and the crazy part is, it only took a few minutes. And it's not just one video. You can create up to 100 different creatives from a single image with different styles and angles. If you create content or run ads, this can completely change your workflow.
Imagine being able to create high-quality, professional videos without ever opening CapCut, Premiere, or any editing software. No timelines, no cuts, no complicated tools to learn. Now, here's the interesting part. The video you're watching right now was actually generated by AI in just a few minutes. I didn't manually edit anything or spend hours adjusting clips. I simply entered one prompt and the AI took care of everything, from the script to the visuals to the final result. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this works using Renoise AI, a tool that's completely changing how content is created. So if you're a creator, marketer, or just someone who wants to produce high-quality videos quickly, this is something you should definitely check out. Once you log into Renoise, this is the dashboard. On the left side, you'll see different options. The main one is video generation. This is where you type your prompt and generate full AI videos. Then there's image generation, where you can create AI images for thumbnails or ads. Material library stores all your generated content, and API is mainly for developers. For now, we focus on video generation. Here, you just enter a simple prompt describing your idea. I'm creating a product advertisement video. You can also choose settings like multitask, start and end frame, C-dance you can set, aspect ratio 9:16, and set duration 5, 10 or 15 seconds. And then you just click on generate button, and just like that, the AI starts working. You can see your video is ready within seconds.
Timeless elegance redefined.
From here, you can download the video and you can set playback speed of video and can watch video picture in picture.
Now let's create another example. This time a mobile app ad. I enter the prompt, adjust the settings again, set C-dance 2.0 fast, ratio is 9:16 for short form content, and set duration around 15 seconds and hit generate. Within moments, the video is ready. If I don't like it, I can instantly regenerate or create variations. This is where it gets powerful. You're not limited to one video, you can scale multiple versions in minutes. So instead of using the web version, I'm going to switch over to the desktop app. You can download it directly from their website. And once it's installed, everything is in one place. Now, I'm inside the desktop app, and this is where it really gets powerful. Instead of jumping between tools or editing everything manually, I just describe what I want, and the AI takes care of the whole process. Let's create a simple product ad. I'll paste in my prompt. And you can see, this isn't just a basic command. It's actually building the entire video for me. Scenes, camera angles, lighting, even the text overlays. Everything is structured automatically. Now let's run it. All right. And here's the result. This is a complete, ready-to-use product video. The shots, the transitions, the pacing, everything is handled by AI. Honestly, this is the kind of video that would normally take hours to edit, but here it's done in minutes. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. This isn't just about creating one video. Inside the desktop app, you can actually scale this. Let me show you. As you can see, multiple videos are being generated from the same idea. Different angles, different styles, different variations, all created automatically. And this is the real advantage. Instead of spending hours making content manually, you can generate dozens, even hundreds of videos in minutes. For ads and content testing, this is huge. You're not guessing what works anymore, you're testing everything. Now let's take it a step further. Instead of videos, you can also create high-quality cinematic images. So I'm going to switch over to image generation. You can create YouTube thumbnails instantly by just typing a prompt like a high-click, bold thumbnail with a shocked expression. Click Generate and it creates a full thumbnail automatically. You can download it and use it directly. So not only videos, but thumbnails and assets all in one place. That's Renoise AI, everything from videos to images, all in one tool. No editing skills, no complicated software. Just AI doing the work for you. If you're serious about content creation, this tool is definitely worth trying. Link is in the description. Go check it out. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.